Having volume problems with your Xumo TV? Let's start with the most common fixes involving your remote control and basic troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your remote is properly paired with your TV. Navigate to Settings, then Remote and Connected Devices, and select Pair your remote to your TV. If the volume buttons aren't responding, try replacing the remote batteries. This simple fix resolves many remote control issues. If battery replacement doesn't work, reset your remote. There are two methods depending on your remote type. After resetting, repair your remote. Press the voice button for 10 seconds, or hold buttons 1 and 3 together for 3 seconds, then wait 10 seconds. Also check these basics. Make sure your TV volume is turned up and not connected to another audio source like headphones or external speakers. Finally, try a cold boot. Unplug your TV for 3 to 5 minutes, then plug it back in. This simple restart can resolve many software-related volume issues. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve most Xumo TV volume issues. If problems persist, you may need to check advanced audio settings and connections. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Xumo TV volume issues, it's time to explore advanced audio settings and connection options. Navigate to your audio settings menu, where you'll find several important options to adjust. The picture and sound settings contain key controls for optimizing your audio experience. In the audio settings, try lowering the bass enhancer if sound seems distorted. Toggle Dolby volume on or off to see which setting works better for your setup. Most importantly, ensure your built-in speakers are enabled and not accidentally turned off. If problems persist, resetting your sound settings to factory defaults can resolve configuration conflicts that may be causing audio issues. Next, check your HDMI CEC settings. Navigate to Settings, then Antenna and Inputs, and ensure HDMI CEC is enabled. This feature allows your devices to communicate with each other. HDMI CEC is crucial for ARC, or Audio Return Channel, to function correctly. ARC allows audio to be sent from your TV to external sound systems through a single HDMI cable, simplifying your setup. As shown in this diagram, ARC eliminates the need for separate audio cables by sending audio back through the same HDMI connection, creating a cleaner and more efficient setup. Software glitches can cause audio problems, so ensure your Xumo TV and all apps are updated to the latest versions. Regular updates often include bug fixes that resolve audio issues. If your volume is still stuck at maximum or minimum, try this workaround. Connect headphones or computer speakers to the headphone jack. This often allows you to regain volume control while you work on a permanent solution. If all these advanced solutions fail to resolve your audio issues, it's time to contact professional support. Both Xumo and Spectrum offer technical assistance for persistent problems. These advanced troubleshooting steps should resolve most persistent audio issues with your Xumo TV. Remember to work through each solution systematically for the best results.